wipe my hand.
Cool.
I got it.
That's dinner. That's breakfast.
I'll be seeing you later.
Oh, there's more fish there. Holy crap. Look at
Cool.
it. Yes. Yeah.
There's one.
It's a big one.
Oh.
You see how big that one?
Yeah.
No, I miss it.
That's also dinner. There's some bullshit right there.
Oh, fish, fish. Is that a pigeon
Yep.
floating in the middle of the water?
No, it's standing on the rubber.
What is this, Jesus pigeon?
Pigeon walk. Oh, it's a fish. Oh, there it is.
Oh, there's two
Big
fish.
one. Big fish. Oh, right there.
Big.
Look, right? My Thai.
Yeah, I can find it everywhere but that market.
It says talk to the sea. That means everything from the sea.
Nice. They probably caught it all here.
Top with what?
Talk with sea.
What's seed?
The sea.
Yeah.
Ocean food.
Oh.
Yep.
Seafood.
Yep.
There's some bullshit boat riding.
We're just kind of in the middle of everything. Yo, you can get that swan boat if you want.
How are you coming with me? Huh? I don't need to fish, just stick my hand down. They'll come and bite my hand.
Noodling.
That one big feisty one was trying to take off my
Yep. Yep. That was the same one that almost took off my like fingertip.
I just like barely put it down. Like, yeah. That's it.
Lighthouse. Oh, we could eat lunch here.
Yeah, well, that's the plan. Like, after we finish this game over ride, then we're gonna get lunch.
Game boat ride.
You know it's true. Yeah?
Oh.
Yeah, like an hour. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Surprisingly, it's still floating.
No, it's not. Half of it.
Oh.
That one is floating. That one is half.
Oh, okay. I see the sticks.
This is all man-made.
Oh, this?
Yeah, this is man-made floating.
Oh, fair enough.
It looks like it's floating, but I think it's
What is the point of this boat ride?
an attraction.
Oh, I thought we were actually gonna stop at like those things. Oh.
But at least you know where you want to stop. So we go eat over there.
Oh, we're not eating there?
Wherever you want.
Well, we could look at the menu.
It's fun.
Oh.
One says,
Oh, yeah, yeah, okay, fair enough.
but there's no one at that one, so I don't trust that one. Maybe those.
That one looks pretty good.
I just go where people is. If it's dead, then there's a reason that it's dead.
There's a swing in there.
Like this game boat ride. No wonder nobody want to fucking pay for it.
How much is for this?
Oh, it was free because you guys are foreigners? So
Really?
owner get like they get charged like 200 baht per boat ride.
That's funny.
Yeah. And then include the boat ride. And then for us, like we don't get charged, but then we get charged for the boat ride. It's 10 baht or something.
That's it? It's the price for a Red Bull?
Yep.
Wow.
10 baht or 20 baht. That's what I think.
Wow. Nobody really wants to go on this boat ride.
Yeah, but they were trying to.
Going so slow.
Well, that's a generator.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
We want to go to
That's not a
Nestle
motor.
over there.
The swing?
We can get dessert over there, the ice cream.
Oh, okay, fair enough.
Yeah, like pretty much, I like they try to charge me,
Yep.
but then I start speaking Thai, and they're like, okay, the Thai.
Yeah, this doesn't look that deep.
Hey, dinner, breakfast.
Hey, roasted, get over here. Hey, you too, crispy.
That's roasted and barbecue.
No, I'm crispy. Litter?
Bro.
That looks disgusting.
That's so funny.
Pineapple, bro? Oh no, watermelon.
Watermelon seeds.
Tea.
Boba.
Whoa, pigeon.
That was gold.
Flying rats. Yo,
Rat with wings.
I'm calling, that one's gonna shit on you. Oh, fishies! Fishies!
If you shit on me, then it's gonna be fish bait.